All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in southeast Minnesota. I'm spending a few days in Lanesboro, and I'm going to be exploring the Root River Bike Trail. So yeah, let's see what kind of trouble I can get into. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Lanesboro is in southeastern Minnesota. It's very close to the Mississippi River, Wisconsin, Iowa. The Root River Bike Trail is 42 miles long. I'm doing out and back rides, so my mileage will be double. There are lots of RV parks all along the trail with direct access from one end to the other. There's also hotels in all the little towns. Lots of options for accommodation to come and do this trail. Being October, the walnut trees are dropping their nuts and the trail is littered with very hard green and black walnuts. And the squirrels are picking up the walnuts off the trail, going up into the trees and then dropping them onto the hard asphalt of the trail to break open the nuts. And so as I'm riding, I have to be on the lookout for kamikaze squirrels and flying walnuts. Look who is here. We got John Bacon, otherwise known as Opus, the mysterious triker.
Very mysterious.
Very mysterious. Well, hello. Very nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Let's go ride the Root River Bike Trail.
I'm all
right, so I made it back to my truck and trailer. What do you think about that? The River Route Bike Trail at Lanesboro, Minnesota. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. I make a lot of videos showing all the places that I ride, but mostly I'm trying to show just how fun, safe, and comfortable it is to ride a trike from the view of the seat. So please like, share, subscribe, give my channel all the love you can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.